Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really handy piece of gear that many of you with the latest iPhones have probably been looking for. We're talking about the J&D USB C to dual XLR male audio stereo cable. This isn't just any cable. It's a dedicated solution for bridging the gap between your powerful iPhone 15 or 16 series device and professional audio equipment like amplifiers, mixing consoles, or even high-end speakers. Think about it. You've got incredible audio capabilities on your iPhone, whether you're playing music, recording a podcast, or even live streaming. But how do you get that pristine digital audio out into a robust, balanced analog signal for your sound system? That's where this J&D cable shines. First off, the USB-C connection is a game changer. With Apple fully embracing USB-C on their newer iPhones, this cable is perfectly future-proofed for your current and upcoming devices. No more fiddling with adapters or worrying about signal degradation through multiple conversion steps. It's a direct, clean digital-to-analog conversion right from your phone. Then there are the dual XLR male connectors. This is crucial for anyone needing a true stereo output. Whether you're feeding a left and right channel into a mixing board for a live performance, connecting to a stereo amplifier for playback, or setting up a recording session, these balanced XLR outputs ensure a clean, interference-free signal over longer distances. The 6-foot length is also incredibly practical, offering enough reach for most setups without creating excessive cable clutter. The build quality, as you'd expect from J&D, feels robust. The connectors are solid, and the cable itself has a good thickness, suggesting durability for regular use, whether you're a gigging musician, a content creator, or just someone who appreciates high-quality audio at home. It's designed to be plug-and-play, meaning you simply connect your iPhone to your audio gear, and you're ready to go. No complicated drivers or software needed. For anyone looking to elevate their mobile audio experience, especially those using their iPhone 15 or 16 Pro Max, Pro, Plus, or standard models for serious audio tasks, this J&D USB C to dual XLR cable is an absolute must-have. It simplifies your setup, ensures professional-grade audio output, and gives you the confidence that your sound will be clear and impactful. It truly unlocks the full audio potential of your iPhone when connecting to professional sound systems. It's a reliable, high-performance link that every audio enthusiast or professional should consider adding to their toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.